Today, we're diving into the Honeywell Ademco VISTA-20PSIA control panel with CP01SIA certification. This security system is designed to provide comprehensive protection for your home, combining advanced features with ease of use. The CP01SIA certification ensures that the system meets industry standards for security and reliability, making it a trusted choice among homeowners and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the Vista 20 PSIA is its versatility. It supports up to 48 zones, allowing you to customize coverage based on your home's layout and specific security needs. Whether you're protecting doors, windows, or other vulnerable points, this system offers flexibility without compromising on security. Installation is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and intuitive programming. Once set up, the system's user-friendly interface makes daily operation simple. You can easily disarm the system, check zone status, and receive alerts, all from a centralized control panel. In terms of performance, the Vista 20 PSIA excels in providing reliable monitoring and quick response times. It integrates seamlessly with various security devices and sensors, ensuring comprehensive coverage against intrusions and emergencies. The system's compatibility with additional modules for enhanced features like home automation further enhances its value. For those prioritizing safety and peace of mind, the Honeywell Ademco VISTA-20 PSIA control panel with CP01SIA certification is a top contender. Its robust design, coupled with advanced security features, makes it a reliable choice for protecting what matters most: your home and loved ones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.